are constructing 10 turbine bases, which 3 consist of piled bases and the other 7 of the normal gravity found bases. We're also constructing 12 kilometers of gravel roads and crane pads. Currently on the project we have 190 people staff working for us, which includes skilled, semi-skilled and general workers from the local community. Today we are casting WTG2 base, which is consisting of about 550 cubes of concrete.
In the construction stage, we basically monitor the progress of the site operations, the adherence to health and safety and environmental standards, the quality adherence and compliance to the client-approved standards. Going into the installation, we monitor and manage the transportation of the wind turbine components. We also monitor the crane erection stage and the subcontractor that operates that section, that stage, and also monitor the erection of the wind turbines in total.
Today we built the casting base 2. Started around about 3 o'clock in the morning. We almost passed 200 cubes already in. So far no major problems, we're still doing well. In terms of the weather is okay today. I was worried this morning, it looks like it was gonna rain, but it's gone now, the sun is shining. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the day.
Everything on this wind farm is done according to an inspection and test plan, specifically the bases. And the important thing is to test the strength of the concrete to make sure it attains the strength that they need. So we take concrete cubes. The 28-day strengths are the ones that count for the cube packs, which is the quality packs, which we sign off. But we take 3 sets, we take 7 days, so we got an early warning to see if we may be getting some low strengths. Then there's the 28 days, and in case we get some low strengths in the 28 days, we take sets which we can crush at 56 days. So the cubes are made here on site. So far we've had no problems. We've had some low ones at 28, but at 56 days we've always achieved the strength.
So we are responsible to ensure that the network, the MV cable network is installed to transfer the power from your 10 turbines towards the substation, where it gets stepped up from the transformer plinth to 66 kV from 22 kV onto an overhead line going from here, Riverbank substation, towards Wesley substation, which is the Eskom substation.
Started at 3 o'clock and we are at 3 now, so 12 hours and we're still going strong. Hopefully the delay doesn't cause much of a disturbance with our program and our expected time of finish. We at 75%, to be exactly 75%. We expect to be done with the base just after 5, slightly after 5 we'll be done. And then we'll start with the pouring of the panels, and then we can continue with our finishing and our floating works. And then from then on we'll move upward. We anticipated around 7-ish, 8-ish, then we'll start with the top pedestal we pour. We will change concrete strength at that time.
Working shifts when we're casting these bases. We started at 3, the first shift is going to end at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The second shift is going to start from 3 up until we finish the cast, which is around about 10 o'clock in the evening. And then the third team, the finishing team will start at 5. Carry on until we cover the thing with the blankets.
Now on our second section of our pour, we were pouring base 2 this morning from yesterday morning. Then this afternoon we came in and we started floating the base. After finishing floating the base, we have to cover the base with a thermo blanket so that we can control when the base is starting to set. There are some cables that are there to monitor the temperatures of the base. So the thermo blanket is there to control that the external conditions can affect the base. So that we have to keep the blanket there for 7 days. So after the 7 days, there is a guy that come and monitor. There's an app on the phone where you can sense. There's some sensors inside the base. Then you can get the temperatures. Then you can compare all the different areas from all the sections there in the base.